Hello friends, today we started with parallel lines and transversal. Let's recall there are two lines, line L and line M. Line L and line M are parallel lines, is written as line L parallel line M. Let's learn transversal. Chedika. In the adjoining figure, line L intersects line M and line N in two distinct points. Line L is a transversal of line M and line N. If a line intersects given two lines in two distinct points, then that line is called a transversal of those two lines. Transversal it is a transversal angle made by a transversal. In the adjoining figure, due to the transversal, there are two distinct points of intersection, namely M and N. At each of these points, four angles are formed. Hence, there are 8 angles in all. Each of these angles has one arm on the transversal and the other is on one of the given lines. These angles are grouped in different pairs of angles. Let's study the pairs. Corresponding angles. If the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of the transversal, then it is called a pair of corresponding angles. Interior angles. A pair of angles which are on the same side of the transversal and inside the given lines is called a pair of interior angles. I show you interior angles like these are interior angles. Next, pairs of corresponding angles AMP, angle AMP and angle MNR. AMP, MNR. These are corresponding angles. Or AMQ and MNS. These are corresponding angles. Pairs of corresponding angles in the given figure: angle AMP and angle MNR, angle PMN and angle RNT, angle AMQ and angle MNS, angle QMN and angle SNT. Interior angles: angle PMN and angle MNR, angle QMN and angle MNS. Alternate angles. Interior alternate angles or exterior alternate angles. Pairs of angles which are on the opposite sides of the transversal and their arms on the transversal show opposite direction is called a pair of alternate angles. In the figure, there are two pairs of interior alternate angles and two pairs of exterior alternate angles, like angle PMN and angle MNS. PMN MNS. These are alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles like AM, AMQ and RNT. Okay. Can you solve the practice set? There are in the adjoining figure, each angle is shown by a letter. Fill in the boxes with the help of the figure. Corresponding angles: angle P, angle W, angle Q, angle X, angle R, angle Y, angle S, angle Z. These are corresponding angles. Interior alternate: angle S, angle X, S and X, angle W, W and angle W and angle R. Observe the angles shown in the figure and write the following pair of angles. Interior alternate angles. We can write C and E are interior alternate or corresponding angles. A or D, E or H. Interior angles C or G. Please complete the practice set 2.1.